What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Coreyiel from the LuxeMinimalist.com, where we discuss all things luxury beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of these Dior sandals that I picked up while in LA. I did a little bit of luxury shopping, so I'm going to show you this unboxing, and then I also have another another bag reveal video. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Like I said, I was in LA for my 30th birthday, and I wanted to treat myself to a nice pair of shoes. And yeah, I think this might be my first pair of luxury shoes that I have bought, and this is also like my first Dior fashion piece. I mean, I have some like little stud earrings that I bought from eBay, but other than that, this is like my first official Dior piece. So I'm super excited. If you know anything about me, I love luxury and minimalism, hence the name The Luxe Minimalist. So we are just going to jump right in, like I said. So these are the 30 Montaigne, I could be saying that wrong, but this is the information. I bought these from Nordstrom while I was there, but they didn't have my size, so they shipped them to my house. So you can see the Nordstrom tag, and then yeah, this is all of the information. So like the product code, you can see there if you want to search for these. I did do a quick search on Dior a minute ago, but I didn't see these shoes. So you might want to check Nordstrom, probably Saks Fifth Avenue. But if I can find them, I'll link them below. But yeah, like I said, I ordered these from Nordstrom. And my receipt. So yeah, this is what it looks like when I open the box. It comes with the Dior care card and authenticity card. So basically they tell you how to care for the shoes, and it says they recommend that I don't wear the shoes more than two consecutive days, which is interesting to me, and to store them in their pouch, clean them with a soft dry cloth, and don't let them come into contact with any alcoholic, greasy, or abrasive products to preserve the quality of the leather. So yeah, these are calfskin leather shoes, and then Nordstrom just threw this in the box, basically saying if I don't like them, I can return them as long as they're in their original condition. And I will note that I noticed that the shoes, I mean, the packaging wasn't really as pristine as one would think, but I know if I ordered from the Dior boutique, like the tissue and everything would be new and in pristine condition. So that's one thing to consider if you want to buy designer items from Nordstrom, like a department store, versus the actual Dior boutique. But yeah, they have the tissue and it has little Dior logo stamped in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Yeah, there it is. So there's Dior stamped lightly on the tissue paper. So alright, so the shoes come in their own little dust bag. So each shoe gets a dust bag, which I really liked, and I love the Dior dust bag. It's all white with Dior written in gold foil. So I love that. And this is the shoe. So I'm going to take the other one out. So these are the shoes. I normally wear a 7 to 7.5, and I got these in a size 38. So it's just all black calfskin leather. with the Dior logo across the top in gold, and then Christian Dior Paris in the insole of the shoe, and then the bottoms just look like this. It just says Dior. I'll try them on, so I'll show you them on as well. They are a little bit wide here, but I feel like if I got the smaller size out the length wise, it would just be too exact. I don't like the back of my foot to hang off of the shoe. But yeah, it's just a little bit wide in here, but not too crazy. If I would have sized down, then they would have been too small. So I'm going to insert me trying these on so you can see how they look on my feet. So this was a super quick video of the Dior sandals and the unboxing. It's not going to be a review video because honestly, as you can see from the bottom of the shoes, I haven't worn them yet. But when I do wear them, I'll be doing a review. I'll most likely post it on my blog first, but if you also want to see a video review, just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to do that for you. I know shopping for designer items can be a little bit overwhelming, and you can be a little bit hesitant because of the price tag. So I want to let you guys know how these hold up and if they are as good of a quality as we hope they would be for the price tag. Also, mentioning the price tag, I have the receipt actually. Hold on. So these cost $890 and the shipping was free. Also, since I spent a certain amount, I was able to park for free at the Grove. So that's one perk of shopping in Nordstrom in LA, I guess. And then I also used my Nordstrom card, so I got points for this purchase, and I also used a double point day. So if I spent say these are, let's round it up to $900, so I got double the points, and I can't remember how many points per dollar I earned anyway in the first place, but whatever it was, it doubled. I'll put it on the screen because I have to go look it up. But yeah, so yeah, that is how I kind of try to save money. You know, you can use a store credit card. If you're shopping online, you can use something like Rakuten to receive cash back. What else? Sign up for emails if you want to save. Most stores give you a coupon code if you sign up for the emails. I don't think Nordstrom does that. But yeah, I have a whole blog post on how to save on luxury purchases, so I'll link that in the description box as well. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see a full review on these once I've worn them a little bit more, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to do that for you. Check out the blog for more luxury reviews and tips and tricks on how to save money on your luxury purchases. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.